Reggae means a lot of things to a great number of people, while to others it means little or nothing at all. The music has been dubbed by many as monotonous and repetitious and tired. But to the majority, it is definitely a music with deep meaning and identity.
And so from London to New York, Lagos to Frankfurt, everybody, yeah, just everybody, swings with a man from Kingston, J.A. Desmond Dekker. I don't want to end up like Bonnie and Clyde.
You're the sheep of my pasture, so bury me, thou shalt be very well. Down here in the ghetto, I'm down here. Yeah.